Yeah. Cut the beat off if you want to. Smell me. Check me out, brother.
God damn it.
Everybody listening, I'm tired of motherfuckers drunk as a bitch. Check me out, though. You can never read the Foley, cause you will find yourself from wrong math and being nosy. Without a doubt, I listen to what the struggling told me. Shit, I sleep better when I know the world kids cozy. And daddy niggas telling me chill, like play your part. And remember all the shit you promised you from the start. When niggas on them beans get the feeling for the top. Young niggas taking souls, they don't even cause art no more. So no more lying, no more complaining and shit. But how the fuck I'm supposed to do that when my workers was set? It's cause I'm hustling through and through in a room of sale. You can't see if you don't know what you looking at. For real, I'm positive, but I get negative to certain shit. Should've passed the ride, I kept coming with another sprint. Why would a kid wanna sleep in a tent when he can hit the strip like I did and get him a pin? Shit.